Good day, everyone. I am Jenabeth Espinosa. In this video, I will be going to present my term paper or academic paper entitled Analyzing a Community of Practice in the Digital Age, Digital Educators. But before that, I have here a quote starter. Digital educators open doors to worlds students may never physically explore by Michael Fullan. So what does this quote mean? So this quote means that digital educators use technology to expand students' learning beyond the classroom. Even if learners cannot travel or experience certain things in real life, technology allows teachers to bring those worlds to them through virtual experiences, global connections, and rich digital resources. In this way, digital educators open opportunities that broaden students' knowledge, imagination, and future possibilities. In today's digital age, teaching and learning have transformed as educators increasingly integrate technology into their classrooms. This shift has given rise to communities of practice among digital educators, teachers, and professionals who effectively use digital tools such as Google Classroom, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams to promote engagement, collaboration, and innovation. Digital educators do more than simply use technology. They model responsible, creative, and reflective practices that prepare learners for a technology driven world. Guided by Winger's 1998 COP theory, digital educator communities share common goals, engage in reflective conversations, and work together to solve problems. This paper examines the digital educator COP, focusing on how technology influences their communication, social language, and professional interactions. So now let's have first the digital educators and their communication practices. The Digital Educator COP is composed of teachers and education professionals committed to integrating digital tools into instruction. These educators use platforms such as Google Classroom, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams not only to deliver lessons but also to collaborate, share resources, and support one another. So, first, let's have the rule during the pandemic of the digital educators. When schools shifted to remote learning, digital educators played a critical role by creating virtual classrooms, ensuring learning continuity, sharing digital resources, helping colleagues adjust to online teaching, supporting students who struggled with technology. Their resilience, creativity, and compassion help maintain a sense of continuity and connection in a challenging time. All right, so when the pandemic forced schools to close, teachers had to move all learning online. Digital educators became a very important during this time because they help make the transition smooth and effective. They created virtual classrooms where students could continue learning safely from home. They also worked hard to make sure lessons continued without interruption and shared online materials that other teachers could use. Digital educators guided colleagues who were not familiar with technology, helping them learn how to teach online. At the same time, they supported students who struggled with internet issues, gadgets, or digital platforms. In essence, digital educators made remote learning possible and kept education going during a difficult time. So now let's have the post-pandemic contributions of the digital educators. In the current post-pandemic landscape, digital educators continue to shape 21st century education by emphasizing digital literacy, collaboration, and lifelong learning. Digital educators continue to play an important role in improving education. They help students and teachers strengthen their digital literacy, which means being able to use technology confidently and responsibly. They also encourage collaboration, using digital tools to help students work together, share ideas, and learn from one another. Digital educators promote lifelong learning, reminding everyone that learning does not stop in the classroom and that technology offers endless opportunities to grow, explore, and develop new skills. Through these contributions, they continue to shape modern 21st century education. According to Abelia and De La Rosa 2023, Filipino teachers show strong digital literacy and high levels of digital competence. Teachers who receive ICT training have access to digital tools and maintain positive attitudes toward technology, demonstrate stronger skills. Younger educators also tend to show greater digital fluency. Importantly, digital competence goes beyond technical skills. It also includes the ability to use technology critically and pedagogically to support student centered learning. Now, let's have social linguistic analysis of digital educators, social language, and the impact of digital technology. The social language used by digital educators reflect the blend of pedagogy, technology, and collaboration required in modern teaching. Based on Nobel and Langshier's concept of social languages, digital educators share a distinct communication style shaped by their practices and identities. So first, let's have the shared vocabulary. Digital educators frequently use specialized terms such as modules, asynchronous learning, digital literacy, formative assessment, LMS or learning management system, virtual classroom. These words reflect their shared experiences within digital learning environments. All right, so digital educators often use a set of specialized terms that are common in online teaching. Words like modules, asynchronous learning, digital literacy, formative assessment, LMS, and virtual classroom are part of their everyday language. This shared vocabulary shows that they have similar experiences and understanding about digital learning. It also helps them communicate efficiently with one another because these terms describe the tools, strategies, and process they use in technology supported education. In short, their shared language reflects their identity as members of a digital teaching community. All right, so during my teaching internship last year, when the heat index increased, classes shifted to modular and online learning platforms. I use technology platforms such as Google Classroom and Messenger to communicate with my students and provide them with learning materials. I also posted important announcements and instructions and sent them through chat. So now, let's have the communication patterns. So digital educators' communication is shaped by clarity, conciseness, and multimodality. They often use emojis, hyperlinks, screenshots, short structured messages, instructional icons, or visuals. These features help maintain engagement and ensure understanding in virtual spaces such as Google Classroom or Zoom. Digital educators communicate in ways that are easy to understand, quick to read, and visually supportive. Because online learning requires clear and efficient communication, they often rely on emojis, hyperlinks, screenshots, short messages, and visual icons to explain instructions or lessons. These elements make messages more engaging to help students follow directions more easily. In virtual platforms like Google Classroom or Zoom, This style of communication ensures that students stay focused, understand tasks clearly, and receive information in a format that is both organized and accessible. So now let's have the norms of interaction of the digital educators. Their social language emphasizes professionalism, empathy, responsiveness, and cooperation. Teachers provide feedback, collaborate on lesson planning, and support learners through chat, email, video conferencing, and online forums. In digital learning environments, digital educators follow certain norms that guide how they interact with colleagues and students. Their social language highlights professionalism, meaning they communicate respectfully and clearly. They show empathy by understanding students' challenges and offering support. They practice responsiveness by replying to questions or concerns quickly, and they promote cooperation by working closely with other teachers. These norms appear in the way they give feedback, plan lessons together, and assist learners whether through chat, email, video calls, or online discussion forums. To sum up, these interaction norms help create a supportive and effective digital learning community. So now, let's have the influence of digital technology. Technology merges written, spoken, and visual communication, allowing educators to communicate more flexibly. Digital educators, especially ESL teachers, use tools such as PowerPoint, Canva, Prezi, Google Slides for instruction, Zoom, Kimini Room, Global Talk for interaction, quizzes, Kahoot, Google Forms for assessment, Filmora, Powtoon, Canva Video for multimedia lessons, YouTube, Khan Academy for supplemental resources. These tools enhance pronunciation practice, grammar lessons, quizzes, feedback, and overall engagement. The digital educators community of practice demonstrates how technology transforms teaching and strengthens professional collaboration. By using digital tools, educators have created supportive spaces for knowledge, sharing reflection, and continued growth. Their social language reveals their adaptability, professionalism, and empathy qualities essential in the digital age. In the essence, digital educators function as change makers in post-pandemic education, proving that effective 21st century teaching requires not only digital competence but also creativity, compassion, and commitment to lifelong learning. Thank you for attentive listening. God bless.